Welcome to another episode of Evernote Advanced Features. My name is Jerry Colbert, and in this week's episode, we're going to be talking all about presentations. Coming up next. So here we are within Evernote for Mac. And in this week's episode, it's going to be kind of a short episode. And I'm just going to be showing y'all a little bit about how you can utilize Evernote for presentations. Now, to be honest with you, I don't use Evernote for presentations. And maybe I probably never will. I probably will use Keynote or what have you for presentations, but I'm not really sure I would use Evernote for presentations, but maybe you might want to use it for presentations. As if you've watched any of my other episodes, you know that my main focus with Evernote is note-taking as well as my digital filing system. So presentations is not something I actually do, but I did want to kind of show you all a little bit about presentations and where you can access it. And I'm not going to go into grave detail over it since I don't use it that much. But in case that's something that you want to explore, Evernote can do that. Does it do it as well as other presentations? No, it don't, because it's, after all, it's a note-taking application. And its main function is note-taking, but you can do presentations in it as well. Now, if you want to do a presentation on a note, up here at the top right here, of course, you know, the last few episodes we've been focusing on this area right here. You'll see that there is a, I guess a little tripod and little box with a little play arrow. Well, that's I guess you could say that's the presentation mode. So when you click on that, here we are. So now you can, and it kind of gives you an idea of what's going to happen in this presentation mode. It gives you a little, I guess, a demo or I'm at a lost words. But anyways, it gives you a little idea of what's going to happen here. So when you move through your presentation, you use the spacebar to move through it. And so you hit got it. And so if I want to move through it, it's just going to kind of go up a little bit by a little bit. So maybe I'm giving a presentation to someone, and we got it up on the big screen running from my laptop or what have you. And so I can use this little cursor, as you see, is floating around here. Woohoo! Yay! It's all over the place. Anyway, so and then I can point over here and say, well, downtown Morehead, this is the address and phone number, blase, yeah. Look at all this stuff, yeah. And you can also scroll up and down if you want, or you can hit the space bar and go up little by little. But this is basically the presentation mode here in Evernote. And then, of course, if you want to get out of it, you just hit the escape, and out you go. So that is basically what I wanted to show you here in Evernote. Now, you can do that pretty much for any, note that you have. So maybe you want to do that with someone. Maybe you got a client, you've created something in Evernote or what have you, and you wanted to do it as a presentation. You're in a meeting, so you hook it up to your screen on the wall, and voila, there you go, and it's great. Do I use it? No, I don't. I think there's other presentation software out there that can do things a lot better than that, but there you go. So, like I said, this was a short episode, but if you found anything useful in this, please click on the like button right down there below. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. And if you want to see any more videos like this, click on that subscribe button and the notification bell. And with that being said, I want to wish you all an awesome day, and let's become more productive. Thank you.